and in this video I'm going to talk about conditional statements. Actually in C# there are two types of conditional statements. First if statement and second is switch statement. And in this video we are going to learn if statement and else statement as well. I want the user to enter a number, right line, okay, enter a number, and you want to read the enter number in the string format. User number, for example, and console dot readline actually, okay, but here we get a compiler error because readline returns the number in string format, but here the data type is integer. So we need to convert string format into integer format. For this we use parse method. We have already talked about this parse method, int.parse. Okay, and the condition, if user number double equal to 1, so if user number is equal to 1, then you want to print console dot write line your number is 1, and if this expression is true then the message will execute, and if not it goes to else part. Else let me copy this statement, is not 1. So if the username equal to 1, then it prints this message, and it's not, it prints this message. So let me run this. Enter a number, let me enter 1, your number is 1. Let me run this again, enter a number, if I enter 2, your number is not 1. So this is if else statement, and switch statement we're gonna talk about in later section. Thank you.